Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. And if you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just a simple search, King Piers LLC, and while you're there, leave a like and subscribe. We'd really appreciate that. Today, we're out here again on our project in Kansas City, Missouri. As you can see, we have started the process of removing the outer layer of brick so we can really see what's going on behind it, get this cleaned up, and get the brick outer facing put back on once everything is back in position. But you can see how much this outer layer has been leaning out. It was doing that across really the entire south side of the house here. So we're getting all of that pulled out so we can get everything, all this loose mortar and everything. We're going to get that cleaned up on top of the stone here. You can see over the last couple of days we've been getting all of that loose stone and mortar out as well between the stone. So we're going to get that sealed up with some new high-strength concrete mortar, and then we'll get the brick looking very, very nice, back vertical the way that it should be, not leaning out like this. And then once that's done, we'll knock out the inside and this project will be complete. So today we'll get the rest of the damaged brick facing pulled off, and then we'll start getting everything cleaned up. Probably beginning of next week, we will start try to get the brick back into place vertically. So stay tuned for more updates on that. We got, like I said, another couple days of cleaning up the work site here, and then the big rebuild will be taking place next week. So again, stay tuned for those updates on our YouTube and Facebook channels. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.